I always knew New Orleans was a magical place. Anywhere we went, when we said New Orleans, people responded to it. Even as a kid, you know, it was like, I saw how they lit up. I think that there is a lot to be said about how New Orleans embraces the creative. Being in New Orleans allowed me to see a lot of real examples of people who were sustaining and just leading a beautiful life because they were creative, because they had these abilities to do things that brought people together. And also just the idea of how New Orleans is sort of so personal, the way we support each other, that choir or that amen corner, you know, of just friends and family who were like, yo, you can do this. I think that's uniquely New Orleans in a lot of ways. New Orleans consistently creates amazing, magical people. You know, there's something in the water down here that just beautiful things grow from it.